Hey guys, and welcome back. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to get past any blocked website. So without any further ado, let's just dive right in, and for this we are going to be using NordVPN, which is going to be helping us to unblock websites. So what I really like about this site is it comes with this really handy extension, so you can simply switch to any network from here and you can go to any region. So once you simply choose to connect it, you will be easily going to jump into any website. So you can see once you connected, which I already I'm going to be doing. So once you simply, let's just say this is the site that we want to access, you click onto that and just wait for a couple of seconds and you will be able to see it will be loaded up. So you can see it's now loading in. Now you can log in by using your QR code and everything. So this is how you can get past any blocked website. You can head over to the link in the description below to get access to NordVPN. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned and see you in the next video.